Hey there, gorgeous ones. How are you today? Say hi if you're hopping on live with me and hashtag if you're on the replay. And today I am talking about the emotional scale, the frequency emotional scale. And I wanted to talk about today, where are you sitting on that scale? So we've got the lower frequencies, which is like shame, fear, shame, guilt, fear, all of those kind of frequencies. And then it goes up into anger. And then we come up further to acceptance, neutrality, appreciation, and then love, like it goes up. And I want to know, generally in life, where do you think you're sitting in on that scale? I will pop the scale in the comment section and you can have a look. And if you can let me know where you think you are sitting on the scale, that would be great. Just generally in life, okay? And, you know, we could be sitting in frustration, we could be sitting in anger. Like there's all different levels that we could be sitting in. And ideally, we want to get up into the higher range. And generally, our manifestations sit on that higher range too. And so this is why I use processes like, say, energy healing or EFT. For example, EFT will get you into a neutral place. Well, firstly, it will get you into an accepting place, and then you'll get neutral about it. And neutral's really good because then you're on that higher frequency and you're just neutral. You're not grabbing at it. You're not pushing it away. You're just neutral about it. You're just like, yep, comes, doesn't, whatever. And that is what will attract it. Okay. And so, like our manifestations sit on a frequency. I'm actually thinking of teaching just a little mini masterclass. It wouldn't be much to do, like say $20 or something like that. Just a little class to teach you how to get onto the frequency of your manifestation. So let me know in the comments if that's something that you'd be interested in. I'd love to know. And yeah, it'll just be a little class on, you know, how to get in the frequency of what you want. A couple of little tools that will help you get into that frequency. Because like I said, your manifestation is a frequency. So wherever you are sitting in your frequency is what you will be attracting into your life. So say, for example, you're sitting in fear, you will attract a lot of fearful situations because that's where your frequency level is at. If you sit in anger, you will attract situations that make you angry because you're sitting on that frequency. If you are sitting in a frequency of appreciation, your heart will be open. You will be in a state of gratitude for everything that you have, that is here, and that is coming. So that's just a little example. So let me know in the comments, where are you sitting on the frequency scale? I would love to know. Alrighty, bye.